Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Numan here, and today we are going to discuss the topic Unity APK not installing on Android. So here is a complete guideline. How can we fix it? So basically, if we have a Unity project, here we can see this is our Unity project, and if we try to build the APK, we need to go to the build profiles and we need to make sure that our Android platform selected, and we are going to try click on the build, and we need to select the file name we already have, so we will replace it. And yeah, here we have a problem that our target architecture is not specified. So we need to go to the player setting and we need to go to the other setting. After that we will go down and see, yeah, here we have our target architecture. Here we select the ARM v7. Now we are go back and try to build APK, and now it's building and we will see once it's complete. Yeah, here we have a APK. So the reason for APK not installing, it can be the target architectures, or it can be the issue related the API level. So for example, if we select the minimum API level, you can say the 10, or the target API level high, basically 36, then it will not work on the Android 9, 8 or Android 7 version basically. So it can be the issue that our APK is not installing on our phone. Okay, another problem that we have here, we have a missing permission of SDK. So we need to make sure that we have a proper SDK. Here we can see here in the preference in the external tools, here we can say we have a JDK, Android SDK, NDK or Gradle. We have to make sure that it's properly installed on our PC from where we are trying to build the APK. So after that it will be work perfectly on our cell phone. So basically, if you are going to test the APK on your cell phone as a prototype, you can say, then you need to make sure that you select the scripting backend as a mono. And if you are going to publish that APK for the Play Store, basically, then you have to make sure you have to select the IL2CPP, and then you have to select the ARM64, and after that you have to make sure here we have a publishing setting. Then you need to make sure you create a key store key basically. So let's create a key store. We are going to make it as a name user key store, and let's add a password. Okay, so we added a password. Let's add a key, and yeah, so after adding that, it will be easy for us to generate a AAB file when we select the build app bundle. Then it will work perfectly for the Play Store. So that's the possible reason that APK is not working. Or as a bonus, I already mentioned how can we make a AAB file. Okay, so that's for today tutorial. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.